Hello everyone, my name is Claudy, doctor. I did my internship in public health at Strategy&Ops Consultancy in Australia. I'm pursuing my degree in public health at Broaden University. It was a pleasure for me to take part in such an interesting and informative program. I chose internship online for flexibility and convenience. I can work from anywhere and have a more flexible schedule. This makes it easier to balance school, work, or family responsibilities. Furthermore, opportunities to personal growth and the development of relevant skills while gaining hands-on experience. During my internship, I served as a public health intern where I supported sustainability-related projects. My role involved conducting research, assisting with data collection and analysis, and helping to prepare and develop courses materials to teach online. I contributed to improving program effectiveness by analyzing data and supporting outreach efforts to promote sustainable development. The most thing I like in my program, how it helped me build practical skills, understand how a professional environment works, and grow more confident in my abilities while working with a team. This experience helped me build skills in research, data preparation, and teamwork, while giving me practical exposure to real-world public health challenges. I like the most the opportunity to gain real-world experience in climate change and apply what I learned in practical experience. I will definitely recommend the Internship Group company because my experience was very rewarding. I learned a lot, felt supported by my team, and had the opportunity to contribute to real projects that strengthen my skills. For the future intern, listen, you are the future interns. Make the most of every moment. I repeat, make the most of every moment. Build relationships. Learn from your mentors. And embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. This experience can share your future career in meaningful ways. Thank you.